Interestingly, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's husband and Sonia Gandhi's son-in-law Robert Vadra has also entered the debate around Kangana Ranaut. Commenting on her, he said that he is of the opinion that she is not fit to be in the parliament.
देखिए, कंगना रनौत के लिए जो कम बोला जाए वो ठीक है, वो महिला है, मैं आदर करता हूं, पर मुझे लग रहा है उनकी जगह संसद में नहीं है, वो पढ़ी लिखी नहीं है और उनको संसद में होने का कोई मेरे तरीके से है कि वो लोगों के लिए कुछ सोचती नहीं है, खाली अपने लिए सोचती हैं, पर उनको महिलाओं के बारे में सोचना चाहिए। जैसे मेरी एक ही विनती है कि उनकी महिलाओं की सुरक्षा के बारे में पूरे देश को एकजुट होकर आगे बढ़ना चाहिए।
Tell you, why are the Sikh groups and Punjab-based political parties up in arms against the film Emergency? The uproar began after the film's 2-minute 43-second trailer was released on the 16th of August. In the last few days, Sikh groups have called for the film to be banned, and the Delhi unit of the Akali Dal has also sent a notice to the censor board seeking to prevent the release of the film. So let's tell you what are the reasons that have been cited by them. Let's break it down for you and give you all of these reasons. First reason that has been given, of course, goes on to say that it hurts the sentiments of the Sikh community. That's one of the biggest objections that has been raised, saying it hurts the sentiments of the Sikh community. Then another reason being cited is that it portrays Sikhs in a negative light. In fact, one of the objections also being that the depictions are offensive and are also misleading, that these are not the facts as they happened, but these are misleading visuals and misleading claims that are being made in the movie. It then goes on to say that this is damaging the social fabric of Punjab. In fact, one of the reasons that has also been cited objecting to the movie is that the subject has been chosen with a political motive. One of the reasons that is also being cited is that the movie was made with the intention to target the Sikh community. So there are several reasons to raise an objection to the movie. Another reason that has been cited is that the film may incite communal passions. These are some of the objections that have been raised by the Akali Dal, writing to the censor board in this regard.
फिल्म जिहड़ी आ सिख भावना नूं ठेस पहुंचाई सिखां ने ते ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਹੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੋਸ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦੀ ਮਾਫੀ ਮੰਗੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਫਿਲਮ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਲੱਗਣ ਨਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ
ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨੀਵਾਂ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਸਿੱਖ ਕੌਮੀ ਯੋਧਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅਪਮਾਨਿਤ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ ਐਮਰਜੈਂਸੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਕਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਢਾਲ ਲਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਯਤਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਫਿਲਮਕਾਰਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੂਰਨ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਪਾਬੰਦੀ ਲਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰ ਫਿਲਮ ਨਿਰਮਾਤਾ ਫਿਲਮ ਅਭਿਨੇਤਾ ਤੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰ ਹੈ
कल मेरे पास सिख डेलीगेशन मैंने समझा छोटा डेलीगेशन है नहीं बल्कि सारे गुरुद्वारों के मुखिया लोग जितने हैं कोर के साथ मिलकर आए हैं वो यही कहते हैं कि भाई अब जो नई मूवी बनी है कि उसका नाम है एमरजेंसी उसके अंदर हम सिख बरादरी को उसके अंदर बेइज्जती की गई है.
So these are some of the demands that have come in, not just in Punjab, but in other states, including Telangana as well across the country. Now, multiple Sikh groups have called for a complete ban on the movie of Kangana Ranaut, saying that Kangana Ranaut should not be a part of this movie, saying that there are several objections. As we just played out, there are several reasons that have been listed out objecting to the movie. Meanwhile, Kangana Ranaut says that the certification for her film has been stopped. Kangana Ranaut's film is scheduled for release on the 6th of September. The Sikh community netas though have sent a notice to the CBFC over the movie. So there's been a complete uproar over the 2-minute 43 seconds of the trailer that was released on the 14th of August. So some of the key objections that have been raised is, of course, by the Sikh groups who are saying that Kangana's movie misrepresents the community, that Sikh community has been misrepresented in the movie, saying that the movie Emergency distorts the historical facts and that the movie it should not be shown to the audiences. In fact, the movie has still not got a clearance from the censor board. Let's go across to my colleague Rishabh, who's joining us on the broadcast. He continues to stay live with us. So, Rishabh, In Punjab as well, a big political firestorm brewing, but there are also appeals coming in from the community in Telangana as well, saying that the movie should not be allowed to release.
Well, definitely the Sikh community is galvanizing against this movie, saying that the way the community has been portrayed in the movie, as shown in the trailer itself, is something that is not authentic, and it is nothing but just demeaning the community further. Remember, the Sikh community and the leaders of Sikh community have been up and ante against the BJP and the BJP leaders for the statements made by few of the BJP leaders during the farmer protest in 2021 as well. Since then, there have been a rift between the party and a few of the community leaders. Now, using this movie, the way there have been the rift is further widening, and the Sikh community is up and open saying that this movie should not be released, given that the community has been misrepresented in the movie. Having said that, the Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee has also asked the censor board not to give a clearance to this movie. They've said that if CBFC do not give a certificate, it will be a welcome move. While Kangana says that there are threats being given to CBFC and others related to the movie, the body has also very categorically rejected these claims and have said that we have democratically asked CBFC not to give a certification to this movie. So it remains to be seen whether Emergency will be released on 6th of September or not. As of now, the CBFC certificate.
Okay, all right. Rishabh, stay with us. We have senior BJP leader Raman Malik also joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Raman Malik, there are several appeals coming in from the Sikh community. They say that this is misrepresentation. Some in the Congress party are also calling not just for a ban on the movie, but also the arrest of Kangana Ranaut.
See, these are the same people who have messed up with the entire country over and over again, and especially the era of the insurgency and militancy in Punjab. They were the ones responsible for creating this. It is a well-documented fact by senior members of the serving community of RAW and others that Kamal Nath was given the responsibility to create a person who would speak against the Akalis at that point in time, and Mr. Bhindranwala was a paid servant of the Indira regime. This is well-documented fact. Now, he was supposed to talk ill about everything else, create a problem in Bharat, and because of which the Akalis would get weakened up and Indira Gandhi would have a strong fold in Punjab. This is documented fact. Now, also documented fact is that Mr. Bhindranwala hid from Babbar Khalsa into Shri Akal Takht Sahib, and that again is a well-known fact. Now, when you look at these two things, my question to SGPC is that what is SGPC doing about these facts? And they are making him and garlanding him as saint, number one. Number two, Sukhbir Badal was the reason for so many sacrilege. He's been told to apologize in front of the Akal Takht Sahib, and that's it. Why are they not calling about arresting him and
so you're saying double
things?
standards, but I just want to point out that the Congress leader, in fact Raja Varing, has said that not just should there be a ban on the movie, but there should also be an FIR registered against Kangana Ranaut.
Emergency was imposed by Congress, by the Gandhi family. Raja Varing is nothing except a stooge, a servant of the Antonio Maino family. My question again remains the same. Those who were responsible for 1984, and this is a very serious question, that those who were responsible for 1984 can be left alone, the titlers, the Kamal Naths and others. They should not be punished. But Kangana, for representing the facts and bringing the facts on the screen, must be punished, number one. Number two, the question is there for Punjab and also an entire Punjab leadership as well as people of Punjab. If 84 was such a big carnage and you accept that it was genocide, then why after 84, 4 times, 5 times you have a Congress government in Punjab you should not have had?
Okay.
That means Punjab never accepted that 84 was a genocide. If Punjab agrees and if Akali Dal, if Shiromani Akali Dal or SGPC accepts that 84 was a genocide, they should have made sure that people understand who these people are, and they should have not been voted to government. These are nothing except petty politics.
Okay.
And whereas Silklage is concerned, SGPC itself is involved in
Okay.
doing Beadbi of Hindu gods. And
Okay, so
they've
petty
printed-
politics by the political leaders for their own gains. Mr. Ramak Malik ji, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Double standards being showed by these groups and by the Congress party. That's the charge by the BJP.